2026.
So this conference is congregating the digital finance ecosystem of the whole world, so it's a great initiative.
Time has come to reset, reboot the way we cooperate between European players in the finance sector. I think Europe needs speed and needs scale.
I had very specific questions that I wanted to ask to stakeholders from the financial industry. And because I work on the digital finance files, it's important that I also get feedback from the ground and from the people working concretely on the tools, what they think and what types of improvements they're looking for.
We all see that we are in dramatic times that are changing from two directions. First of all, we are in a new era of geopolitics and in a new era of technology revolution. And these forces will shape our future.
You meet the people who set the strategy for that year. And therefore it's really good to have this exchange with the decision makers and with people with smart ideas.
There is not a lot of conferences these days where you have good content, and I appreciate here there are real content contributions still, and therefore I really appreciate coming here.
I'm going to talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on the financial system. That's particularly relevant from a central bank's perspective because we need to understand what type of algorithmic traders are in the market.
I think one of the most important features of this conference is that here really all the banks and fintechs, the financial actors, but also the investors and the regulators, they all come together here.
I think Frankfurt is a banking capital, and I think to have the European relevance and size, we need a big European conference which brings together the incumbents and the digital future.
What I really like about this conference and what I think it makes really special about it is the European essence and the ethos that you can basically breathe.
I think what makes that conference really special is that it brings together practitioners from banks, IT people like me, and regulators.
What I like about this conference that it comes across many themes. It's not just about AI, as many conferences out there. We talk about tokens, we talk about digital sovereignty, a lot of things coming together.
It's just an intense kind of sparring of ideas. Big banks, small banks, fintechs, investors, even government is represented.
European founders are hungry and they are choosing Europe. And that's kind of a big win because not too long ago, everyone was like, we need to go to Silicon Valley.
I believe there is a lot of opportunities connecting between Asia and Europe. My friends should come here to see what's happening in Europe and also in Germany, and networking with the local stakeholders in Germany.
Because it's a good kickoff for the year. To start when you're in the financial industry, I think you can gather all the information that are necessary to be successful in your industry.